In this video, we're going to look at a really easy way of how you can password protect your USB drive. Now, not only can you password protect just USB drives, but you can also you can use flash drives, thumb drives, memory sticks, external drives, jump drives, memory cards. Basically, this is a really simple way to password protect any of those, so where only you will have access to it based upon a password that you set up. Now, unlike many websites that are offering products like these that cost upwards to $100, this is a product that just came out and it's like 19 bucks, and I did just purchase it, and I want to take you inside and show you exactly how it works. So if you want to check it out for yourself and download the free trial, you can go to usblock.org. It's there on your screen. The link's also underneath the video. It'll take you straight to the site. And just scroll down to where you can click on to download it. Now, I've already downloaded it onto my computer, and here's the file. I'm going to go ahead and double click it. I'm going to run it and accept. And let's go to my drives here, and this is my USB drive that I'm going to be using. It's a Patriot drive, and it's K, so we'll make sure we select K. This is what we want to install software on. Okay, completed. Click Finish. That's going to tell me to set a new password. And a password hint, which is optional. I'm going to leave that blank and click Protect. Okay, it says your USB drive is password protected along with all the data in it. To unprotect your USB drive's data, please click the Unprotect button and then enter the correct password to unprotect. Well, we don't want to do that. I'm going to exit, and then I'm going to go back into the this drive again. And you'll see here, instead of showing me a bunch of files, which I have within this drive, it's just going to show me the USB security, and when I click it, it's going to ask me to enter a password. So what it does is it takes all the data that's on your drive and it puts it behind the security from usblock.org, and that way you don't have to worry about anybody getting access to it except you who knows the password. So if I enter my password, I got two options. One, I can completely unprotect the drive, which will also allow me to uninstall the software if I choose to, or I can choose to open in a virtual drive, which will give me access to all the files that I have on the drive, and I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, and just for privacy reasons, I'm going to have all this blurred out. But you can see all of my files are listed here now. There's a total of 31 items. And I'm going to close this and click Done. And then if I click on it again, it's going to ask me for a password again. So every time you close it, unless you actually unprotect it, it's going to ask you for this password every time you try to access this particular drive. So if I go ahead and put this in, and this time if I click Unprotect, it's going to totally unprotect the drive, and it'll allow me to uninstall the software, and it'll also let me re-protect it, which is what I want to do, because obviously if I just leave this uninstalled, it's not going to benefit me at all. So I click Re-Protect. Okay, it says your USB drive is protected successfully. Click Exit, and once again double click on it, and it's going to ask me for a password. So there's no way getting behind this and trying to find out what these files are unless you have this password, and it's a super easy way to do it. It's not a complicated process at all. Anybody can just install this basic software on there and then enter a password, and that's all that's required. Now, under the options, it allows you to change your password. It asks you if you want to autoplay for the device. Now, this works on all Windows versions except Windows 7. It will not autoplay on Windows 7, but any of the previous versions, as soon as you put your USB drive in, it's going to ask you for your password, so you can just put it in and get access to all your information. And you can turn that on and off here. You can also change your drive icon, kind of like the blue one. Leave it there. And the menu just allows you to go to Help, and it has the options which we just looked at. The register, excuse me, right here, if you have the free trial download, you can go here to register your software after you purchase it. Like I said, it's like $19. I think it's like $19.95 for it. It's actually a really good deal if you have a lot of data on any of your drives that you want to protect. And then it has the home page where you can just visit their home page to learn more about it. And they do have other products that allow you to also protect files and folders on your computer too, so that might be something you'd be interested in. So I'm going to go ahead and click cancel, and right now my drive is protected, so we're just going to go ahead and exit out. And that is how it works. So if you want to check it out, get more information on it, be sure to go to usblock.org. and you can come here and learn more all about it, download the free trial, and you can see here it was just released on July 10th, 2012. So this is it's brand new software. It's made for the operating systems of Windows 7, Vista 2003, XP, and 2000. And see if there's anything I missed here. Like I said at the beginning here, you can protect USB drives, flash drives, thumb drives, memory sticks, external drives, jump drives, and memory cards. So just about any kind of external memory you can easily password protect so nobody else can get access to it. So there it is. Check it out at usblock.org.